Thank you all again for joining me on my learning journey. As you may know, T2L Academy is an initiative that I started with the mission of teaching to learn. So I learn, and then I share with you and teach, so I can learn better, and hopefully in the process, I can help you learn too. So today I'm going to be sharing a brief definition of data science. Because when we first look at that term, it may seem advanced and complicated, but we're going to be breaking it down. So what data science really is it's the science or the study of data. And as simple as that may sound, that's really what it is. So data science is how we get information from data, how we find patterns and trends in it. So data science can be used to train machines with machine learning and help business. So machine learning is basically when you feed a machine tons of data and it learns from that data without you having to program every little bit. Now data science can also help businesses because it can help the business analyze, does this product drive more sales than this one? Does this strategy help us do more of this? Why is this working better than this? Can help with better customer service. You can say, why are more people leaving us bad reviews on this day, and why are more people leaving us better reviews on this day? What are the connections between this data and, in this data, and that's really a big part of what a data scientist does. You find the connections. So here we have a graph of a hypothetical situation. So it's two products, and they are on this graph, and we've annotated this graph. Now you're a data scientist and you're looking at this graph. What a data scientist would do is they'd see, okay, why is there a drop here? Why is there a dip? Why is there a dip in product B for pink, or blue for, or A for blue? So why was blue doing so much better than pink, and then it suddenly plummeted? Why is pink having these dips? Why is pink doing so much better now, even though it was a little bumpy at the beginning? How can we make sure that we stop those dips from happening and make sure that what happened with product A doesn't happen with future products? Now, these are the kind of things you can find out with data science. So I wanted to take this video just to give a brief definition and overview of data science. So that's it for this learning. Thank you for joining me. And I'll really appreciate it if you leave any comments or feedback or further suggestions for more learnings below. I'll see you in the next video.